Alright guys, so it's the first car show of the year. Yesterday was gorgeous, today's pretty freaking trash. It's like 35 degrees, I don't know how. It is like 35 degrees, it is freezing. I took the BMW because I don't really care. And I think it's a really funny car. I think people will enjoy it, so I brought that. Cool. Drew's car is out here, yo. It is running. She looks good. Okay, I'm cold, so I'm gonna put the camera down in a second, but I just wanna say hi to DJ real quick. What's up, Donald? Sylvia's out. How's the Sylvia running?
Great.
Really?
Yeah.
Good.
It rubs a lot, that's about it. But.
Me too.
What's up?
It looks like I'm so embarrassed of this car right now.
Look at my shit.
It's so poorly put together.
It's a 240, look at my shit.
When I was driving this here, I looked at her, I'm like, this thing might be road ready, but it's so far from drift ready.
I think DJ just popped the coupler. Insane amount of cars already. I always forget how like crazy the first car show of the year is. It always gets like really ridiculous. I really wish that the Black Z was ready for this because the Black Z is by far, honestly, the Black Z is my favorite car. I just wish it was like done with the aero and everything on it, but we'll catch the next show. At this point, it's just fun to like see a lot of friends you don't see very often, check out a bunch of new builds, meet new people. It's sick. So, oh boy, this is a long line. Your red FD and I'm literally crying. Do you see it? It's like right there. Fuck me, guys. Well, it looks like DJ's car was overheating. Poor Donald.
Getting hot?
DJ shit broke in line, so we gotta push the thing back. I don't know where it is. We gotta go find it and fix it. It's 9:30, I think, and car started like not even a half hour ago. All right. Oh, DJ's back in line. Boy made it. What happened?
The car's overheating and the battery came unplugged again.
Is it still hot?
Yeah.
I'll push it.
It's okay.
Shut it off. No, he's gonna be embarrassed. He's embarrassed.
What are you gonna do?
DJ's car is overheating. Look at it, fucking. Look at
Surrounded.
surrounded. Hers is gonna be like on deck. I know. You might as well just let him go. Just let him roam. If he loves us, he'll come back.
Yeet! Yeet! Hey, boy,
Hey.
what's going on?
What's up, homie?
Not much.
I'll catch up with you soon.
All right, cool.
What's going on? There is an endless amount of bitchin' cars here today, and I just don't even want to show. I'll let DJ pick what the most bitchin' cars are today.
That's a bitchin' YouTuber car right there.
Get a frame.
Get me right, boys.
This ain't sketchy. We're only Drew 2.
Yeah, this ain't sketchy.
Bighorn, didn't you have issues with this at Americans?
Stop.
You going to VIP? Yeah, boy.
Yeah, you made it.
Yeah, dude. I got the bro hookup. Dude,
Oh, by the
come.
way, I have something with me that I have forgotten to give you 3 times now.
Hey, the OG.
What's
I mean,
up?
forever ago.
What's up?
Where you going?
Broke.
Oh, I forgot.
Broke boy.
You're a broke boy.
I'm a broke boy.
The icy. What on
Yeah.
YouTube?
I saw some sweet clouds going on over here.
We gonna challenge?
Let me get a vape.
My vape out.
Oh, you gonna share?
Let me get the pass off. I need to slap.
it needs to be juice.
Thank God. Thank God. He almost burnt these Johns up. This kid's got some sweet clouds. I'm feeling pretty intimidated right now. You guys want to go side bets? I'll put 2 on it. 2 on it right now.
Mike's joining the vape ball. All right, guys, line up.
Come on, Mike.
All right, guys, on 3. Get your lungs ready, Drew 2. All right, 1, 2, 3. I think we got a winner. We got a winner right here.
I got vape juice in my beer.
Give me a fat one. Hartford Railer. Hook me up. Get me.
Nothing to see here.
I got it in my eye. It's in my eye.
Look at me.
You should have just come to it.
All right, man.
Oh, I got skunked.
Oh, it's fucking cold though.
Yeah, fuck yeah. I'm too Spanish for this shit.
I'm so cold.
Dude, I'm freezing. That's why I literally I woke up at 6. I was like, it's 30 degrees. All right, I'm going back to bed.
Yo, how was drifting this yesterday?
Dude, yeah. Dude, it was awesome. The Skyline, I kind of want to switch chassis. That's how confident I was.
Wow. This is what you're working on, isn't it? A Q bumper with a pig nose lip.
Exactly.
This is everything you want.
This is yeah.
No, cool LZ out here. Ooh, the black. Ooh.
Hey, I need this for the fucking 836. Yo, oh my god. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing part 4. Nothing part 5. Got CT NSX out here. God damn.
Sir, you forgot the whole front of your fucking car.
If you're the guy that just revs your car by yourself in a parking space, don't be that guy.
No, please.
You're the coolest guys.
What would it be without some technical difficulty? So, DJ's coolant return for his turbo was like capped behind the head because we relocated it. Cap blew off on the highway. DJ lost all his coolant and overheated this bitch. Pretty good.
Pretty good.
He was too fucking embarrassed to shut his damn car off.
I did shut it off a couple times.
So we got no caps, we got nothing, so we're literally just crushing this motherfucking line. We're crushing it.
Let me get it.
Sick angle, Jim.
Stood up. Bitch lips.
There we go. That shit looks like.
What are we doing? So
Tucker's gonna make our next decision. Tucker, what's the move?
Lay down if we're going to Red Robin.
Alright, let's
Red Robin.
To Red Robin we go.
Boy's plugging himself. What's up?
Kyle_Reddy _ on Instagram. Follow it.
All right.
Rear wheel drive up.
Is it real? Yeah. What are you talking about?
Look at the rubber.
Ooh, junk. Brendick, he's undercutting you. So the show was pretty good. It was absolutely freezing. So we didn't really do as much filming as I anticipated because we were just kind of huddled in a circle the whole freaking time, but it was a great time. Got to see a lot of subscribers and that was awesome. I saw you guys at the show. It was really nice to meet you. And hopefully the next show when it's nice and warm, we could do some more fun things and get some better clips. But we're all squatted up. We just got dinner. We're gonna head out to the shop and see what the heck we could do for the day. I know there's a few things on DJ's car we have to tidy up.
What's up, guys? So we just got back from Yukon. It was pretty lit. Cut that. It was pretty cool. It was a good show. It was a bit cold, but it was good. A lot of cool cars, big variety, all kinds of different cars. But I decided it's finally time. I have to do spark plugs on my RB20. I got to do it because my car misfires, like high end, not terrible, but it's still pretty annoying. So I'm gonna start ripping that apart and hopefully I don't break anything. Okay, so this is pretty ripped apart. I got the coil packs out. I didn't take the plugs out yet, but
I'm
pretty
excited.
annoying. It's
Sorry.
pretty annoying back there, I'm not gonna lie. So a lot of shit in the way.
Who thinks we should do a front mount intercooler setup with a Gretty style intake?
Yeah, who's gonna pay for it?
I mean, come on.
Come on.
Come on. Who thinks we should do a Donald t-shirt that every dollar we get from it has to go into the 32?
I'm with it.
I'm with it.
I'm with that.
So they're pretty smoked, which is like good news, I guess. And they're way overly gapped. They're gapped to like a .045, which is supposed to be gapped to like a .03. So DJ's giggling.
The pretty good, I guess, was so funny. He's gonna be gapped at.
People online are suggesting 0.8 millimeters, but that converts to like 0.03 inches. So sick. Beautiful. How many leftover bolts, DJ?
0.
Look at you go. So we cut out DJ's little horn. I'm sorry, DJ.
No, it's fine. Let's hear it.
I'm like kind of scared. That is so loud.
Can we hook that up to be my horn? Dude, I want that as a horn. Can't I have it?
Yeah.
Will that work?
Yeah, let's do it. So DJ likes to be a dick. So we're taking this old security alarm and we're now hooking it up as a secondary horn. Mounted in the factory horn location. I already put new terminals on it, so it should just kind of click right in. It's all hooked up.
I see.
I'm gonna hate this. That is horrendous.
It's great. I love it. Oh my god, it's got a tongue.
That is the worst thing I've ever heard. That's great. I love it. Thank you, Jimmy. Fuck you. I'll eat your fucking chips.
You want to see my new horn?
Yeah, I want to see your new horn.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh my god. That's horrible. Why would you do that?
Is it disturbing?
Yes. Why would, dude?
That's exactly why I did it.
Jimmy's even. All right.
Thank you.
All right. I did throw them at you, so.
Do something. So this is what it comes to.
But I don't have valve springs.
You know what?
I don't have valve springs.
I know, it's very sad. My car was kind of past to the point where I was gonna keep it stock, but that's no fun at all. So this stuff like here, this is like emission stuff that you don't really need, and it has all these really like ugly, unnecessary.
Help ventilate your gas tank.
What? Who needs that?
Who needs it?
Not me. So I'm gonna take all this stuff out right here, cause it's stupid.
Like this. Here you go, Jimmy. There you go. There's for you.
Look how big and ugly that thing is.
Who you call ugly?
That's out. Looks a lot cleaner. Now I just got it up. Yeah.
Go away.
Oh, I must stab myself in the neck with that.
That would have not been good. Oh, wait. Watch out for your plug.
Oh.
What do you think, Jimmy?
It's nothing.
That pretty much.
I don't know. Gets this going next. See all this mumbo jumbo
This is really
lines, all that bullshit, and there's like plenty more underneath. It's all Hiker. And if you guys don't know what the Hiker system is, it's the all-wheel drive steering system, or the all-wheel drive. It's the all-wheel steering system. So there's actually like a mini power steering rack in the rear subframe that like turns the back wheels ever so slightly. Like I think it's 5 degrees max on them, and it feels weird. It feels like you're floating. Some guys are into it. I don't really care for it.
Yeah, me neither. I say rip that shit out.
Rip that shit out. You guys ready to see what's in a carbon canister? It's just strong. Whoa! That was a mess. Here's the main event.
Oh my god.
Dude, what are you doing?
You're the Sandman. Oh yeah, that's you.
There's a lot of shit in here. I wonder why they call it a carbon canister.
That's probably great to breathe in, you doto.
Carbon?
Oh yeah, great.
It's coal. That does smell like ass. Fuel infused carbon. Wow, that smells really bad.
Oh, shit.
I don't regret that. But you guys needed to know. I delivered.
Jimmy Nye, the science guy over here.
Some more heavy R32 mods. I painted the trim on this yesterday, and this stuff it's like a rubber right here, and it tends to dry rot all the time. So I just like peeled it all off. Now these two are
Getting lit.
taping it and stripping it. Super like good trim paint. It's a little expensive, but it comes out like factory black. So this is what it pretty much looks like. All boof.
Nice.
Oh my god, put some polish on that. Jimmy out here being dumb extra and shit.
Take me down to Overspray City where the quarters are gray and your skyline stay pretty. Woo, won't you take me home? So we did a quick etch primer just because it's bare metal. And so it sticks better to bare metal and it seals it so it doesn't rust anymore.
Me and Jimmy tend to do this on our S chassis. They come with like that black paint and it's like this, and after a while it just peels and looks like crap. And this looks way cleaner.
There's always hella hood gap, especially when you don't have these. He actually has the trim right here, but there's always a little bit of hood gap, and when you take this off, it really helps fills it out because it, you know, kind of like brings more light to this, I guess. I don't know. OEM Fresh! I love that paint so much. It's like the perfect amount of like matte and semi-gloss.
There's 3 different kinds.
Yes, trim black is the best one.
Remember that.
Bring this side out real quick. Thanks for the help of these little stuff, guys. It looks great. Cleaned it up a lot. We got a lot of work on the skyline. We got to do a lot of little stuff. It adds up. Eventually, it will be a dime once we paint it. But today was a good day. It was a long day. First show of the year. It was absolutely freezing, so I didn't get a lot of content there. It was so cold. None of us even wanted to hold the camera. So I don't even know what to say. I'm too tired to think about it. But I hope you guys liked today's video. And DJ, what else do we say?
Good night.
Good night.
Yeah, pretty much.
Good night.
We've been up since
7.
6:40.
Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content.
Have a great night.